Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Ford Focus handbrake. Start by parking on level ground and securing the car with wheel chocks or first gear. Keep the ignition off. Remove the center console trim to access the handbrake lever and locate the adjustment nut beneath the cover. Loosen the lock nut, then tighten the adjuster nut in small steps while testing lever travel until you reach firm resistance with about 3 to 4 clicks. After prepping, gently remove the center trim and handbrake cover to expose the adjuster nut and cable end. Inspect the cable for wear and replace if frayed or corroded, as adjustment is only temporary for damaged cables. Use penetrating oil on seized nuts, then work the nut free with proper sockets. Keep hands clear of spring clips and remember small parts can spring away, so work slowly and use a tray for hardware. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick up Little Tree's black ice to banish cabin odors after greasy mechanical work and keep your Focus smelling great. It's a small treat that makes wrenching feel nicer, and you can find the link and deals in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the adjuster exposed, apply the handbrake fully and tighten the adjuster nut a quarter turn at a time. Then test lever travel after each change. You want roughly 3 to 4 firm clicks before the lever feels tight and the rear wheels do not move under a gentle push. Once satisfied, secure the lock nut, reassemble the cover, and perform a road test on a flat, safe area to confirm consistent braking performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.